Hello, mates. We're just checking in here. I think, Snore-asaurus is awakened. We might be able to get an exclusive interview. I'm going to keep my distance, but... Snore-asaurus, how are you doing?
I'm awake. How you doing? Shit, I'm so fucked up.
The beast actually speaks.
Yeah.
Did you have a good time last night?
We had a good time. Pretty awesome.
It appears that he's found a new hat.
We're good. It's me and Owen. We got Nikki playing the video.
Fuse, take over.
Take over big time. Yeah. I want to apologize for my snoring. It happens. Damn, my throat hurts. How you feel?
I mean, I feel pretty excellent. You know, it was a great night. This light is pretty bright, so I think I'm gonna sign out. Until next time.
Boo.